And to another primetime news follow-up now. It was an emotional day for Crystal Clark, the domestic helper whose children were taken away by their father last month. On Wednesday afternoon, the children were dropped off, but as you'll hear in this report, the mother is still concerned. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Reunited, Crystal Clark and her 5 children after not knowing their whereabouts for 17 days. Their father took them on December 19, and before Wednesday, she's not seen or heard from them.
Very exciting that they're back. Can now sleep, can also cook and eat and just relax my mind because they're home now and they're safe.
It has been a struggle because before now, she had never gone a day without seeing her children. But after sharing her story with our news team on December 31, she remained hopeful.
I heard like a car skid, and when I look at the grill, I looked through the grill and I saw them at the grill. So the car was heading down the road. I just scooped them up in my arms and bring them inside. They were pretty messy and also hungry, so I bathed them thoroughly and give them something to eat.
One would have thought that now the children are home, things would return to normal. Well, that's not the case, because the children returned home with a message from their father.
I was told that he went to the CDA to report me. I don't know what about. And also, I am supposed to give him $500,000, a car, and the house that I got from Food for the Poor. All the things for the children, or else he's coming back for them. Upon talking to them on their whereabouts, they were in St. Elizabeth at one point, they were at Bull Bay, they were in Portmore, so they were all over the place.
Now that the children are home, Ms. Clark says she's considering her options. Until then, however, she's focused on bonding with her children.
I'm holding them real closer now because now my fear is going on the road and leaving them here. And yesterday when they came home, the little girl fell asleep on me and so did the baby. They just fall asleep in my hand, and for not knowing where they are for the past 2 weeks and couple days, it was like I'm wondering, how did they cope? Because all their life they have spent it with me.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.